Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. Please subscribe to my channels to see lots of woman drivers. Very dangerous. Dziękuję. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that big McDonald's Golden Arches, where many fatties call home. Here is a fatty who bravely risks life when he misses turnings so that he can make it in time for the McRib special.
What the hell are you doing?
A true American hero. I buys fancy phone, my neighbor buy fancy phone. I buy new wife, my neighbor buy new wife. I buy dashcam, my neighbor, he only affords shit dashcam. Great success.
Come here, Flynn. Come here. Ruby wants to say hi. Come here. Just don't jump up on things. He's not terribly fat, but he's got some girth to him. If someone picks him up, they'll go, Daddy, chubby.
After a long day of eating the snake shit, the Bear Grylls reverse into Paul. Now he try to fix. Better get naked and make peace on it, just in case. In US&As, it is important to test the safety of a road by first pushing your child in front to make sure the coast is clear. The baby give all clear, and now it is safe to cross. Here we see typical line of cars waiting for the McDonald's drive-thru. So many fat people waiting to make eatings. very beautiful song. Very relaxed. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Holy fuck.
Happened twice in this intersection.
When it rains, it pours is number 2. That's my favorite. Oh my fuck! Holy shit!
In US and days, if you have big engine but very tiny penis, then you make privilege to use the special grass lanes. Much quicker, but you have to have big engine and tiny penis. I cannot use grass lane because my chrom big like Pepsi can. High five! Let me know in the comments below what drinks container your chrom is like. And don't forget to make subscribing. Dziękuję.
To figure out, but clearly not.